Whirlpool presents Superb Atom, a range of semi-automatic washing machines. Superb Atom comes in different colors and capacities. With its turbo scrub technology, it comes armed with a 340-watt motor and an inbuilt scrub station that's designed to give you a powerful wash every single time. The Smart Scrub Station comes with a flow-back design that allows water and detergent to flow back into the wash tub, so you can scrub your clothes with ease. It also has a large 66-liter tub to provide more space for efficient cleaning. It also comes with a soak function which removes tough stains by soaking the clothes in concentrated detergent water for up to 25 minutes. The Superb Atom also has a smartly designed waterproof control panel to prevent water from seeping inside. It also has a unique memory retention auto restart feature that enables resuming the wash cycle from where it stopped in case of a power cut. The sturdy plastic body prevents corrosion and makes it more durable. With 4 large wheels, the Superb Atom range of semi-automatic washing machines are designed for mobility, so you can move the machine around with ease. It comes with a 5-star energy rating, a 2-year comprehensive warranty, and a 3-year additional warranty on its motor and prime mover. To buy the Superb Atom range of semi-automatic washing machines online, use your debit or credit card or pay via net banking. For EMI options, refer to the product page. For further information, visit the product page.